The most important is that I did, again, amazing season. Me and my teammates, we win the double. I think the people don't have words to criticize because the numbers don't lie, you know. To speak about myself, individual, I don't need to speak because the numbers, they don't lie. I'm very happy. Amazing season again. We win trophies. And of course, it's one of the best moments in my career. I have opportunity to say that every year. That is true. This year was amazing again. Last year was amazing too. So it's great. Now I have 2-3 days off to rest, and after we have a qualified game for Portugal, and we have Confederation Cup. Long season, but I'm motivated. I'm happy. A good moment, and my age is just a number. I feel like a young boy.